Good day, this is your boy Alwan from Tamp'Up Media. Today we're going to be doing our very first video tutorial on the video promo that we just did for Capitec. This is the video we're talking about.
Say hello to living better with our credit card. Shop in-store or online and get 1.5% cash back just for spending and banking with us. Switch and live better with Capitec.
So what we're going to do now, we're going to have 3 parts of the video. There's going to be part 1 whereby we're going to be sketching the whole card, because the card is going to be our main focus. We're going to be sketching the whole card and everything, and that is what we're going to do on Adobe Illustrator. And then next thing is that we're going to move from Adobe Illustrator, copy everything, put it on Adobe After Effects, and that's going to be on part 2 whereby we're going to be modeling the whole card. And then after that we're gonna go to part 3, whereby part 3 we're gonna be animating everything to get the final results that I just showed you earlier. And please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And without any waste of time, let's jump straight to Adobe Illustrator. So here we are on Adobe Illustrator. So I've already downloaded my reference. This is the logo, this is the card that I'm gonna be trying to trace so that we have the right measurements. So let's do this. Let's go to Adobe Illustrator, start new file. So what I'm gonna do, because it's going to be an animated video, so I'm gonna use 1080p. Start a new project. I love drinking coffee, but this is tea. Take my reference. Let's use this one. And I'll also take my logo, so I'm gonna need this. I will also take this because I'm gonna need this part, the back part of the card. So scale down. Now for now, let's put this aside. Scale down, scale forward, scale up, and then Control R, because I want to put the ruler, my ruler here, so that I don't make a mistake. I wanted to snap as I drew. However, so what we're going to start with, we're not gonna start with the whole card design, because I think the card will have to come last. We're gonna start with the chip, the scanning thingy, this thing, I don't know what they call it, the logo, and then everything that is the font related, we're gonna do it in Adobe After Effects, but you're gonna see why. I will explain it when we get to that part. So let's do this. Let's just give it a shade color. Zoom in. Just want to be a bit accurate with this, so that's where we go. So we're gonna reduce the opacity a little bit so that we can see how it the cards, where the cards are. And then after that, here we go, we put the cards, and then let it overlap a bit. Then those are our cards, and then we select everything. You come here, properties, and then you do this. When you click this, you connect all those things, so they are now connected. Then we're gonna, oh, I forgot something. Remember this side of the card is not, yeah, it's like this. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for remembering this. I thank myself. Then let's make it one shape. So this is one shape. So now what we're gonna do, we need to create those openings, right? So we're gonna select this shape and select the box that we did, and then we're gonna use this to subtract everything. See, the top layer is this one, the white one, and then the bottom. So when you do this, you're cutting the bottom with the top. So see, we cut everything. Now we're good. So we are done with the chip. We're moving forward. So to save time, we're gonna go to this website. I'm gonna put the link here at the bottom. It's called the pronoun project. So just come here, Wi-Fi icon. So now we got it. Then you get this icon. You can get it for free, basic download, no edits, as attribute creator. There we go. Then we've downloaded it. Now put it here. And after on Illustrator, created by Sophia from the Noun project. No, Sophia did a great job here. Sophia did a great job. Put it here, and then we make it bigger, and then so we have created our icon, our thingy. So what else are we creating? I think for it to make sense, let's just create the writing, but we're gonna fix it. We're gonna change it either way when we get that side. We just want it to make sense. We've got Capitec logo here. So remember, we must make everything become a path or a vector. Image trace, and then trace this the image, and then we take everything out. From here, I think it's easier. We can just make this whole thing one file by clicking here. Take this, put it here at the front. We can just give it maybe a same color for now, so that when we copy these things, they make sense. So we place them the right places, and then we come here, we do this. Then go, come here, right. And now you can see that we have created every element that is supposed to be on the card. Yes, and now we're gonna have the card designed. So let's do this, send it to the back. So yeah, and then move it this side. Therefore we go here, take the color, and then here we take an orange color. I'm not gonna follow that one because that one is a bit dark, so we're just gonna reduce the opacity a bit. There we go. So that's our card. We have our card, and that's the first part of our video. We have made our card. Our card is ready to be taken off. By the way, the font here is supposed to be white. Yeah, even this one is fine. So here's our card. We're done. So wait for me. Part 2. Part 2, we're gonna be taking this one from Adobe Illustrator straight to Adobe After Effects. We're gonna be cutting, doing modeling and everything and detailing. So I just put certain elements, I just put them there just for you to be able to see how the card looks like. But most of them like texts, and these green parts, I mean this orange and red parts, we're gonna do them that side on After Effects. Everything here, the logo, the chip, we're gonna do them that side. Thank you so much for watching. See you on part 2. Peace out.